Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu took the stand for a fourth day of testimony in his corruption trial. The Israeli Prime Minister is on trial in 3 corruption cases. He faces charges of fraud and breach of trust. Watch.
For the second week, Israel's Prime Minister was back in court. Benjamin Netanyahu appeared in the Tel Aviv court once more to continue his testimony in the long-standing corruption trial. After being excused from court on Tuesday, Israel's Prime Minister took the stand once more on Wednesday. Unusual circumstances were cited by his solicitors as the cause for a day's postponement. However, he was back on the stand for the third day. The judge had ordered Netanyahu to appear in court 3 times a week for 6 hours per visit. Accusations of bribery, fraud and breach of trust are among the 3 distinct criminal cases that the incumbent leader faces. Case 1000, Case 2000 and Case 4000 are the names given to them. Case 1000, the gifts affair, where he is accused of accepting costly gifts from a millionaire Hollywood producer in exchange for assistance with personal business interests. Case 2000, favorable coverage. It says that Netanyahu is accused of requesting regulatory favors from a media mogul for good press coverage in exchange for legislation to limiting the growth of a rival newspaper. And Case 4000, regulatory favors, where prosecutors allege that Netanyahu granted regulatory favors to Israeli telecommunications company for positive coverage. On Wednesday, the Prime Minister testified for the last case, in which he also faces the most severe charges. Netanyahu has been accused of bribing the owner of Bezeq Telecommunications Company's owner, Shaul Edovich, for positive media coverage of him and his wife on the news website Walla. Prosecutors listed 315 things published on Walla, and Netanyahu denied that he and his wife had any knowledge of the items listed. He also said that he did not own a laptop or mobile phone. Rejecting claims that he influenced Walla's coverage, Netanyahu said that Walla is more hostile and venomous than Haaretz. Over the coming days, Netanyahu will be questioned on 2 other cases. The corruption trial, which was earlier taking place at the Jerusalem District Court, has been moved to a Tel Aviv District Court in an underground bunker for security reasons. Netanyahu has rarely attended the court proceedings since the trial began in 2020.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.